If you want to change the alarm volume on Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 8, you can, for example, open settings on your phone. Then we're gonna proceed to sounds and vibration over here. And then in sounds and vibration, you should be able to find the volume option. And then here we have the alarm slider, and you can move it to the left and to the right as long as it is available. Now, it is also possible that it's not going to be available, and that means that every alarm can be set individually. I mean, its volume can be set individually. And you might also have an option to be redirected to clock settings. But what you can also do is, of course, go to the clock app, and if you have a clock created, you can, for example, tap on it, and then you can go to sound, and you can adjust the volume for the alarm sound over here. Now, if you want to make sure that every alarm has the same volume, then you can tap on the three dots either here on the right side or in the upper right corner, and then you can go to settings. And then here in settings, we have the volume in the alarm section, and then you can decide if you want to set different volume for each alarm or if you want to use the same volume for all alarms. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.